What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a subscriber, what's up? So with my channel, I want to tell you guys where I'm trying to take my channel. So with my channel, I really want to start doing more get ready with me, still doing the makeup, but you know, incorporating like you guys choosing my outfits with me, seeing what I'm wearing, and then kind of like vlogging, like where we're getting ready for it together. You guys come with me, and whether it be like the club, a party, a dinner date, chilling with some hoes, I don't fucking know. Whatever I'm doing, I want you guys to like come with me, and you know, we just chill together, we vlog and slip, and that's what I'm trying to do. But y'all, Florida right now is underwater. If you don't live in Florida, you probably don't know, but right now, at least South Florida, it is so much rain and we're literally so flooded out. So literally I could not go out this weekend, so that's why I had to record this look. I really intended on vlogging for you guys, but I ended up recording this makeup look. With this look, I didn't know where I wanted to take it because I feel like I did a semi-soft glam, and I don't really want to do too much dramatic looks anymore. I really want to keep it achievable. So I ended up giving you guys this look, which is a very simplistic look. It is literally just a ombre blended shadow, nothing too opaque. But since you know it's November, you know, Thanksgiving, fall time, I want to keep everything kind of like orange. In my last video I did like browns and oranges and stuff like that, so that's really what I'm trying to do here, because I know you guys are gonna be looking up looks to achieve for popping out in the living room for Thanksgiving. So I got you. I hope you guys are feeling this look, and if you guys are feeling this look, go ahead and continue watching to see how we beat this face and got here. Okay, let's get started. Alright girls, so let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and we're going to go ahead and just put that all over my lids. And I'm taking this really light bright shade, and if you want to know what shade it is, it will be in my description box below. But we're going to take a nice fluffy brush and just blend this out because we want to make sure this base has no creases. And with my Beauty Beige Bright palette, I'm pointing at Hello Sunshine. But before we use Hello Sunshine, I'm going back in and making sure we have no creases, and then we set down that shadow. So where I'm going to set this yellow shadow is going to be above my crease. So whatever shadow you're using, make sure you go above the crease because we need to make room for the other shadows that we're going to be using today, which is literally only 2 other shadows. So as you guys see, the technique that I'm using here today is patting motions. That is my favorite way and the easiest way to get a blend. So first thing you want to do is just pat the shadows in, and right here I'm just kind of flaring it out, kind of winging it. And if you don't know where to stop your wing, you kind of want to stop it where your eyebrow meets. So don't touch your eyebrow, but that's kind of like your guideline as to where you want to stop. We're just patting this color in and building up the intensity. And next up, I'm going to take this orange shade that I just showed you, and now we're going to put this in my crease. So you see the yellow goes above the crease, and now you want to take a light orange and put that in your crease. And the same thing, we're not doing windshield wiper motions yet, no circular motions, we are just patting this color in. We're winging out this orange shade as we did with the yellow shade. And now I'm going back in with the brush that I used to apply the yellow with no extra product. I'm just now using circular motions, and this is already blending together easily. And here I'm going in with this neon orange, and now we're gonna put that on my lid. And as you guys see with this palette, I do think it's beginner friendly because the colors are not too crazy intense. And that's exactly what I was looking for with this look today, because if this look came out very neon, I feel like it would have came off as springtime makeup look or summer. But because it's fall, I feel like it's still kind of, it looks perfect for fall, where it's still colorful but not too much. And after that, I just popped on my $1 Billion Baby lashes from Team Stacie Cosmetics. And if you want to shop with me, all the information will be linked down below. Make sure you go support your girl. So let's go ahead and get into skin. So right here, I'm just using my Milk's Makeup Moisturizer. So before I turned on my camera, before I did any makeup, I washed my face, but I did not use any moisturizer. You want to cleanse your face before you do your face makeup, just because it's going to make your foundation look way more flawless. It doesn't matter if you wash your face this morning, you need to wash your face directly before you apply makeup. That is a very, very important tip. But anyways, I'm gonna take my NYX primer, and this is the Hydra Touch primer, and we're just gonna prime my skin. If you have oily skin, you know, obviously opt for a mattifying primer, but I have combination. I do like a hydrated look, so I'm going for my Hydra Touch primer. And here I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in these two colors, and that would also be linked down below. This is how I get my perfect shade, honey. I literally love it. And with this look, I really wanted to keep it beginner friendly and also affordable, because if you're a beginner, clearly you're not going to be trying to drop $300 on products. So I want to make sure everything is drugstore friendly. Well, most of the things. And here I'm just blending out my foundation with the brush. This brush is from Daisy's Vanity. I used to blend my foundation with, you know, sponges, but this brush just really does it for me. It gives me this airbrush finish, so if you're new into makeup, you definitely can just play your field and see which one you like better. But next up, I'm gonna take concealer, and I'm taking this really light white concealer, the same one I used for my base earlier, and I'm putting that directly under my eye. And I definitely think I used a little too much of this because it ended up looking very ghostly under my eyes. I still pulled it off, but I do want to show you guys that we all make mistakes with makeup and nothing is perfect. And in the beginning of the makeup, you probably didn't even notice that I made that mistake, but you know, you just keep pushing and you know, for next time. So anyways, I'm gonna take Pure Beige and I just outline that white, you know, concealer, and then I use Pure Beige, which is a more true to skin tone concealer. It's still a few shades lighter than me, but I'm using that in my T-zone, which is my forehead, my nose, under my nose, and my chin. And I'm going back in with the brush to blend it out. So if you ever have any troubles, you know, knowing when your foundation or your concealers are blended, you know your stuff is blended when it looks seamless, when you don't have any harsh lines, where you can see where you applied it, where you applied it. So you see, I really like to take my time and blend my makeup out, and that's what gives me this flawless look, in my opinion. You know, this is all opinionated facts here, okay? Opinionated facts. So I'm gonna take my Maybelline Loose Fit Me powder, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that under my eye. And we're gonna set. I don't like baking. I feel like baking makes me look very powdery, so I just take a little bit of powder and I just press it into my skin, and I do not have no excess that I'm gonna wipe away. We just literally press it into your skin, and it gives me this Kim K awakening effect. Girl, we love it. Okay, I'm too loud, let me stop. And next up, I'm gonna take my black Radiance, you know, my favorite contour palette, and we're just gonna go ahead and add some warmth back into my skin, really just blending that out in circular motions, because we don't want no harsh lines, period. And as you guys see, I'm taking that orange shadow that I put on my lid and I'm using that as blush. And that's one thing you can do with makeup. You don't have to follow the rules. You can literally play by your own book. So this Warrior palette, I'm going to take these two shimmer highlighting shadows and we're going to play with those. I'm going to pop that gold shadow into my inner tear duct. I also use the gold under my eyebrow to tie this look in together. And then with that lighter shimmer highlighting shadow, I'm just going to use that on the bridge of my nose and above my cheekbones. And I'm going back in with that orange shadow that was originally on my lid and my cheeks, and I'm going to use that on my lips. And I feel like on my lips, it just tied the look in together so beautifully. I just applied some gloss to make it glossy, because since this eye was so matte, we wanted the lip to be glossy and pop. Alright guys, so that is the end of this tutorial, and I hope that it was easy to follow. And I keep saying this, I said this in my last video, but I really want to give you guys achievable looks. I mean, if you guys want to see like the really like entertaining glitter, neons, all that crazy stuff, I am more than happy to do that. But I really just want to give you guys looks that you guys can do. So because it's November, my birthday month, shout out to all my Sagittarius in the building, period. Let me just say this, y'all. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm gonna be so honest, y'all. I am PMSing right now. So, and I know that it's TMI, but y'all is my sister, so period. I'm PMSing right now, so I'm very emotional, but everything I say I really do mean. Because when I'm not PMSing, I feel like stuff, I feel my feelings, but I just don't express them. But when I'm PMSing, all my feelings that I've ever felt just wants to talk. So the feeling I'm feeling right now is I just want to tell you guys that I really admire you guys, and I'm really grateful for you guys and the love and the support. It is just literally amazing. Like, to really have 14,000 people that subscribe to me is like crazy, and have hundreds of people that tap in faithfully to watch my videos. And it just means a lot. So, you know, one thing that I want to ask you guys, if you guys can start commenting more, I really want to start seeing your faces more, so I know, like, this is my sister, this is my brother, like, they are tapped in, they're tuned in, and they're supporting, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I'm just in my feelings. But also another thing that I do want to say is, like I said a little bit in the beginning of the video, you know, with my channel, I really do want to just vlog more. And the main reason I want to vlog is, like, when you guys just getting these like very strict makeup tutorials out of me, you're not really hearing me, you're not knowing Team Stacie, you know what I'm saying? You're just knowing what Team Stacie can do and how she can teach you how to do it, but you're not learning like who I am and like hanging out with me, like, because I'm a cool ass fucking person, okay? So I really just want to be with you guys, and I want you guys to like understand me and know me and hang with me and party with me and chill with me and talk with me and just all of that. So I love you guys so much. Yeah, so that's pretty much the end of this video, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so freaking much, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.